Debra, you will be designing a modern kitchen.
Yes!
Scott will be designing a traditional kitchen. You have 24 hours to gather your inspiration before your design appointment. Good luck. China.
Hello.
Good to see you. Thank you for helping me with the IKEA Kitchen Showroom Challenge. Today's the day that I put together my winning design so that I can beat Debra in this Kitchen Showroom Showdown. Now, my kitchen is traditional, so I'm meeting up with China to pick out my cabinet selection, gonna pick out my colors, countertops, and some hardware. Then we're gonna put it all together with the IKEA Kitchen Planner.
So we definitely have a lot of doors that lend themselves to our traditional style.
Yes.
We have a lot of shakers.
Yes.
And our Akstad comes in white and green, which could lend towards those Scandinavian roots that you're kind of going for. It also comes with glass doors if you want to tie that in a little bit.
These are the same profiles?
Yeah, for both the white and the green.
In terms of the layout of my kitchen, I'm thinking an L shape so that I can flex my corner organization and functionality. Maybe some open shelving, but that will also frame it up nicely for an island.
Maybe an island's an opportunity to have that pop of color with some green. Let's go pick some counters.
I love it. And something along the lines of white would be great.
So we have lots of different finishes for you to choose from. These are our new Lockabo glass composite countertops that are actually made of 80% recycled material. So they are sustainable, they are durable.
That's what I'm looking for. Good return on investment. That's also a good traditional kitchen.
Yeah, for sure.
Hardware, you've sourced a few.
Yeah, these are some traditional options that I have pulled for you. So we've got some handles, we've got some knobs, we've got some pulls. They all come in all three finishes, so you have lots to choose from. It just depends on what kind of feel you're going for.
I would say somewhere in this finish, and I think if I'm gonna use the green, maybe I go this way. Let's
a little bit cleaner.
Yeah. Let's take a look at both of these handles because I want all the fixtures and handles to match.
Okay,
right?
perfect.
Okay.
Let's take these options with your Akstad door and go put it into the planner.
Let's make it happen.
Okay. So the IKEA Kitchen Planner is a free online tool that anyone can use to design their dream kitchen. You can play with style, you can play with layouts, and you can see the price update in real time.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, so typically when we start with a client, we start with a working triangle, so where your fridge, your stove, and your sink are gonna be. But since you already sent me your dimensions, we've already got a lot in here, and we've already started to lay things out.
And
so
I love the way it's laying out. I think the kitchen triangle, functionality for the win over here. It's the right way to start. Can we get some green in there somewhere?
yeah, let's play with your island.
I like that. This looks good. So green on the island, I feel like that anchors it. The black hardware, we've got the Akstad white cabinets everywhere else. And then maybe just a couple more cabinets with the glass doors and the in-cabinet lighting on this side.
So now we've laid out some more uppers. We have your glass stacked cabinets.
Yes.
We can add some lighting in here as well.
Yes, yes, yes. This is really starting to look like the kitchen I'm thinking about. This is what I'm going for, so let's lock it in.
Okay, we will press order, and we actually also offer an installation service if you are interested.
I appreciate that, but I think my team and I will do it ourselves. This is the winning kitchen. You might as well engrave the trophy now. I feel like this is unfair because the IKEA Kitchen Planner basically put my kitchen together for me. It is so straightforward that I am going to take all of my supplies and I'm gonna put this kitchen together myself, and I can be extra proud when I beat Debra.
Today is design day, where I get to show China my inspiration and design board for my modern kitchen. I am so excited for this appointment.
Me too.
I need all your help. You know, a kitchen is the heart of the home. Like, honestly, you know, that's where everyone's memories kind of start and grow. It's a space where the family comes together, so I really want it to be warm. I want there to have personality, you know, and it's not just a standard expected kitchen. I want the unexpected for this one. And so this is my design board, and you can see that I have the pops of color through the accessories. Of course, we need to focus on function and organization, which is where you come in when we look at the plans.
Okay, let's take a look at your designs. It looks like you've chosen our ring halt high gloss white door, which is perfect for the modern expression. And you've also warmed it up with some of our walnut.
Using the high gloss white is something different for me, but I loved how bright and fresh it was.
Yeah.
You know, so pairing it with the walnut, I was like, oh, this is a nice addition of warmth. Again, really making it that family environment, very welcoming. Using the IKEA design tool is unbelievable. I mean, the amount of customization that it offers makes the design planning stage so easy.
Yes, so it looks like you have a garbage pullout to the left of the sink, which is perfect placement. And we can even add in a waste bin.
Oh, love that.
You even have an interior drawer, which is perfect for storing your garbage bags.
Oh my gosh, see, you guys make it so easy.
So I assume this is your pantry.
Yes.
What kind of things do you store in here?
I'm thinking anything that's not going in the fridge. So dry goods, snacks, dog food, like anything.
Okay, perfect. So it looks like it comes with a lot of shelves to start, but I actually recommend adding in some drawers to the bottom because it really helps maximize that space and you can really maximize the full height of your pantry.
I love that.
So Scott has decided to build and install his kitchen himself.
Of course
But what I can offer you is our installation service. So they will build and install for you. What do you think?
I mean, that's a no-brainer, right? You have the team come, they build it, they install it. Work smarter, not harder, right?
Exactly.
Awesome, I love
And there's
that.
a 5-year workmanship guarantee.
Oh my God, that's it. Done, done, done. I mean, Scott's gonna lose his mind, but I mean, I feel like that is definitely the best decision. Now that I have a thumbs up for the design plan, I am ready to get all of my product in the studio, assembled with a 5-year warranty. Oh, I love it. I'm totally gonna win this.
Next time on the IKEA Kitchen Showroom Showdown.
Oh,
Feast your eyes.
wow, we got a lot of boxes here.
You getting your stuff delivered still? What is this?